Welcome to Norfolk Cars, where we have this exceptional 2015 Mini Cooper S with a full John Cooper Works styling pack and John Cooper Works tuning kit. So this car has over £12,000 worth of optional extras, so I'll try and not miss any of these, but obviously it's got the dealer JCW Pro tuning kit, so that increases the horsepower to about 210 horsepower, and it also includes the Bluetooth exhaust system. Comes with the LED headlights, and the previous owner spent a lot of money on this car upgrading it, so it's got the gloss black grille surrounds, gloss black headlight surrounds, and gloss black track spoke alloy wheels. It's also got the gloss black door handles. Inside it's got a great level of specification too. Electric windows and wing mirrors are standard. It's got the piano black interior trim, auto lights, auto wipers, and the 3-spoke leather John Cooper Works multifunction steering wheel with telephone, audio control, cruise control, speed limiter. The mileage on the car is just over 75,000. It's also got the optional Harman Kardon Hi-Fi and optional head-up display. It's got the professional satellite navigation with widescreen media, with the reverse parking sensors and visual display. Having the chili pack, it's got the dual zone climate control. It's also got the optional heated seats, sport and green driving modes, controller for the media, and front center armrest. It's got the JCW sports seats, all of which are in great condition. John Cooper Works door sill finishes. That's all part of the JCW pack. See, it's got the gloss black fuel cap and the gloss black belt line. Alloy wheels, all in fantastic condition, no scuffs or scrapes. It's got the darkened rear glass. And rear bumper in fantastic condition, and it's got the switchable Bluetooth valved exhaust. Customers also had the updated Union flag rear lights fitted. You can see it's got a nice rubber mat in the boot. It's got the storage compartment pack. Split rear seat. Original parcel shelf present. It's got the gloss black grab handle. You can see there the gloss black surrounds on the rear lights. It's got the JCW roof spoiler. And the tyres on the car all good. They're all matching branded Goodyear tyres with 5 to 6 millimeters of tread remaining. It's also got the storage compartment pack glove box. So the previous owner really has cherished this car. It's got a huge file of paperwork. That is a Brodit phone holder, which can be removed if you don't want to use it. And you can see down there the switch for the Bluetooth exhaust. It's got the black roof and mirror caps. Car's got a full service history, and you'll see this detailed soon, and it comes with an MOT that runs through until July 27 with no advisories. If you click on the link above, you can visit our website where you can create your own finance quote and apply online today. So the brake fluid service is due August 27. The engine oil service is due August 27 or 14,000 miles. And the vehicle check service is also August 27 or 14,000 miles. And you can see here it's got the owner's manual and it's got a huge file of paperwork with this car. So it's got a lot of the original Mini service invoices. The customer's literally kept everything from this car, from windscreen chip repairs to the tyres he's had fitted, the original build spec sheet. And there's also this pile of paperwork, original invoice from when we sold it, I think it's back in 2021, old MOT certificates, all the service invoices from when the customers had it, and the John Cooper Works certificate of authenticity for the tuning kit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for latest stock updates, or visit our website for further information on this vehicle.